Hello, in this video we will discuss what is DNS. Guys, DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS is the phone book of internet. Whenever you type any URL in your web browsers, let's say in your web browser you are writing www.nb.com. Actually, this particular URL has an address. So who will tell us what is the address for this particular URL? There is a server in the network that is called DNS server. So what your system will do, as soon as you write any URL, like you are writing www.espn.com, so your system will send a DNS request to the DNS server that I want IP address for this particular domain name, and DNS server will give you the IP address. It means DNS server is nothing but a server which is having, you can say, bindings of name and IP, and it will help you in resolving those IP addresses from names. Now second question is why we are using DNS. Guys, we humans cannot remember these IP addresses. See, I belong to networking, so I can easily remember these IP addresses if I want to. But for being a, you can say, software engineer or being a database engineer, it is not their work. So it is very hard for them to remember all the IP addresses which we are using for different websites. So to resolve this particular problem, we use the concept of DNS. How DNS works, let me give you an overview. So let's say this is a user and he want to access a website that is phonebook.com. So as soon as user will write in its browser www.phonebook.com, this system will generate a request to the DNS server that what is the IP address of phonebook.com. So once DNS server will give us the reply that yes, this is the IP, then this computer can communicate with the actual server. So guys, this is how communication happens. Guys, in this video we have discussed what is DNS and how it works. Thank you.